You know, when you're doing stuff like that, you need to speak to your superiors. He spoke to Savage. Not the best place to go, but what the hell. Do you fully understand? I don't know how to put this to you. Tony Ann, I'm very proud of you. You showed initiative, passion, drive, exercised all of your training to good effect, and scared the shit out of people. Come a long way from when you had to teach her how to throw a punch. What you have done is closed a number of cases one time. Michelle and her pretended death. The doctor and her abject needle distribution. The minister and his mental breakdown. Where else? Now, there's so many of them. I could hear the door slamming shut.
Sir, you sure the doctor out of the picture?
Oh yes, that story I came out in the paper. Her party doesn't take very kindly to it, so they've asked her to either step aside or take a leave of absence until the matter can be sorted out, if there's any sorting to sort out. I can hear Beresford Hammond playing in the background. You know the song? Step aside now, another man's trying to take over. You may be very surprised at who the new minister is. But that's for another meeting. Don't trouble your head right now. Now, final item on the agenda. A Jamaican citizen with British background came out here, went to St. Elizabeth, bought land, and built a house, nice house, 3 bedrooms. Kept one for himself and rented the other 2. I don't know how he managed to find these people, but they turned out to be not so nice. And he was belligerent when he got drunk, so he would say stuff that didn't look good. He had $10,000 in his room, and during a drunken stupor, cuss off somebody in a bar and boast about it. And it is said that his tenants and people took him home afterwards and strangled him. In a panic, they dumped the body down a pit toilet and then realized that the keys to his car were in his pocket. They have to retrieve the body. But the mail from the tenants thought it was a good idea to not only clean out his house, but to take his clothes, which he has been wearing. This is where you come in. All of this man's shirts and pants have a very particular embroidery in the waist or the hem. Very distinctive. The tenant has been wearing his clothes. I need you to identify that what the tenant is wearing is the man's clothes. I don't know how to say this to you now. You're responsible for attempting to retrieve the body from the pit toilet.
Really, sir?
You remember when I told you to stop selling so much herb up the hill? Or you'd end up in shit? Don't look so. Don't. You know anybody from the fire department?
Yeah, man.
Okay, you're good then. Sort it out. Good. Got your marching orders. I expect this to be covered in a week. And your report on your mother, 2 days. No questions? continue to make me proud. But don't mess up or you end up in shit next to him. Bubbles. Yeah, medical warrior now. Give me a call.